process or resolve a case, it might be necessary to break it down into a series of steps or tasks that need to be fulfilled in order for the resolution of that case. Each case screen can have a task tab as presented on screen. This will show a list of any tasks that are currently running or have been solved for that particular case, including its name, its current state, and who currently owns that task. That way, all work on a case doesn't have to be assigned to a single person. It can be farmed out to other different users. In looking at the list of tasks, the filter buttons does allow an agent to filter the list of tasks according to its current state. Again, tasks can be defined according to a workflow that is configured originally so that the tasks are automatically created and ready to be either manually or auto-assigned when that case is created. Alternatively, it is possible for an agent to manually add tasks to a case by going to the Add Task button, electing whether it's a whole new task or perhaps a subtask to another task, and defining its name and who might be assigned to look at it. And then clicking Save, and we have our new task. In order for a case to be resolved, it is often required that all the tasks are resolved first, but again, this can be defined or automated at the time of the system configuration. At a supervisor level, the system offers a task inbox, which provides an overall view of all tasks in the system, broken down by individual or by a concept that is known as work baskets. Work baskets are typically a team that a task can be assigned to. In this instance, I am able to see all the tasks currently assigned to me, or I can look at all tasks assigned to all different users and work baskets. For example, if I only want to view all the tasks currently assigned to the back office team, I click on the back office team and I just see their set of tasks. This screen can also be used to assign tasks to other people. It could be that the tasks are automatically assigned according to the system business rules, or they're manually assigned. But say a supervisor needs to reassign one or more tasks because somebody is away on leave or has had to take an extended break. By using the search screen over on the right hand side, they can filter to that particular user's set of tasks and either select one or more to either assign to themselves automatically by clicking the Assign to Me button, or selecting a group, clicking the Assign button and choosing somebody else or another team to assign those tasks to. That way it is possible to manually override or just manually update tasks according to the current workload or availability of staff.